In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a steering angle sensor adjustment on a 2017 Nissan Maxima using the X431 throttle. First select Nissan. Next select OK. Select the vehicle with 16 pin. Select automatic selection, then OK. Select system selection. Select ABS. System info, select OK. Select special function. Now select street angle sensor adjustment. System info asterisk, please follow instruction and select OK. To begin the adjustment, select start. Once completed, select OK. And that's how you perform a steering angle sensor adjustment on a 2017 Nissan Maxima.